Welcome to the world of video magic. In this quick guide, I will show you how to remove unwanted object from your videos. Open the CapCut application, click on New Project, select the video of your choice, click on Add. Now click on Overlay, click on Add Overlay and select the same video again. Click on Add. Now search for mask, click on mask and click on rectangle. I here choose the shape of rectangle and select accordingly. I want to remove this pencil from the table, so I just take the same piece from the table, adjust it and click on OK. Now move that selected piece on the object that you want to remove. I want to remove the pencil, so I place that object on the pencil. So now the pencil is removed from the video. If the content helped you, leave a like on the video, leave a compliment or a suggestion in the comment section. Subscribe to the channel to follow our content. Bye.